Hello, parents and children. Welcome to the art lecture. We are the renowned Diana Art School in Toronto, Canada, dedicated to providing beginner, intermediate, and advanced art education. In each of our videos, we will highlight a common mistake students make when drawing and provide free expert guidance to correct it. Our goal is to help parents whose children are learning to draw, or those who want their children to learn, understand the artistic process and support their child's professional development. In today's video, we're going to talk about another common mistake children often make: drawing shapes of different sizes and uneven heights when the shapes are supposed to be arranged uniformly. For example, take this arrangement of identical shapes. What they often end up drawing looks more like this. Seem familiar? So why is there such a big difference between what they draw and the original diagram? Once again, it's because they start drawing without planning, without thinking, and without making any guiding marks. So, what's the correct way to draw it? First, lightly draw straight lines with a pencil, connecting the topmost and bottommost points of all the shapes. These serve as reference lines. When drawing long straight lines, remember what we talked about in the last video. Identify the starting point, end point, and midpoint before connecting them. Do the same for the middle line as well. Next, draw each square one by one, keeping the same spacing as in the sample image. With these guiding lines, doesn't it feel much easier? Finally, draw the small flags. See? Using this method, it's much easier to control the size and spacing of each shape so they match the sample diagram. This approach not only helps children improve their drawing skills, it also teaches them how to tackle complex tasks in an organized, step-by-step way, calmly and with a plan in mind. All right, and that is the end of today's art lecture. If you want your child to start learning European and North American art, as well as standard North American English and culture from an early age, or if you hope for them to pursue art at a European or North American university, visit our website, dianaartschool.ca, or reach out to us using the contact details below. Our online courses are designed to meet all your needs. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and we'll see